Hey everyone, I hope all you are doing well today. Welcome back to my channel Code Begin. I am Sona Kuar, an aspiring data analyst at Vijay Robotics. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the basic but most important topic of Python, variables. We will understand what variables are, the rules for naming a variable, the characteristics of them, and how multiple assignments works. So let's begin. So first of all, what is a variable in Python? In Python, variables are used to store data that can be referenced and manipulated during solving the problems. So a variable is simply means that a name that refers a value. You can think of it as a name tag that holds a value and so you can use it later. A Python creates a variable when you assign a value and you can also change its value anytime. Like here, age is assigned with 10 and if we change the value of age to 100, we get the value of age 100. So you can change it anytime. This is the example of a variable. Rules for naming variables. Well, when we create a variable, so we have to follow some rules. And the rules are, first, variable's name can contain letters, numbers, and underscore. And it cannot start with a number. Names are case sensitive and no spaces are allowed. And we cannot use Python keywords like if, for, while, etc. So let's understand this by some examples of valid and invalid variable names. So first, valid variable names. Here, name variable has only letters, so it is valid. And my underscore age has underscore and letters, so it is also valid. And user one contains letters and numbers, so it is also valid. Let's see invalid variable names. Here, one user is invalid. It contains letters and numbers, but a variable cannot start with a number, so it is invalid. And here, user space name, they contain a space between them, so it is also invalid. For is a Python keyword, so we cannot use it as a variable. Now let's talk about the characteristics of variables. So these are the things that makes Python super flexible and easy to work with. So let's see some characteristics. So first, dynamic typing. So Python uses dynamic typing. So it means you don't need to declare the data type. Here, x is assigned with a value 10. And if I write this, so this is same name but different value. Next point is variables can be reassigned, which means you can change the value of a variable anytime and you can also update it. Let's see example. Here, name is assigned with a value Aditi. If I change the value of variable name, I got this output. So we can change the value of a variable anytime. The next point is multiple names, same value. So here A, B and C, all of three has same value 50. And if we change the value of A, it doesn't affect B and C. Next point is variable store any data type. So a variable can store a string, an integer, a number, a boolean or a list or anything else. Now let's talk about the most coolest feature of Python, multiple assignments. So first, same value to many variables. So Python lets you assign the same value to multiple variables in a single line. As like this example, A, B and C has same value 100 in a single line. Assign different values in one line. You can also assign different values to multiple variables at the same time. Like this, X, Y, Z. For example, the first value goes to X, the second value goes to Y, and the third value goes to Z. Moving on to the next point, swapping values. So Python makes swapping very easy. No need for a temporary variables. So let's see an example. Here, A is assigned with the value 5, B is assigned with the value 10. And in a single line, we can swap these values. Now A get the value of 10 and B get the value of 5. Just one line and values get switched. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and I hope everything is clear. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.